Good morning. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2001 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be replacing the rear muffler. So we're going to look around a little bit. We got some flavor around here, but for a 2001, well, it could be better, but it could be, it could be a whole lot worse. As you can see, Exhibit A, backing plate is still there. Exhibit B, the backing plate is still there. Let's go a little further back. Vehicle's had some exhaust repair, little sight window, but look at those O2s. They've replaced that and serviced it. They replaced that one and serviced it too. Hardware, it's a little ugly, but it's holding steady. Now for the repair. We're going to be removing this guy and replacing it. We're going to be removing and replacing this. But where'd the rest of the exhaust go? It flavored off. What are we replacing this with? A brand new exhaust system. Well, half a system. Very good. Alright, that's one part. Please don't fall down on me. Please don't fall down on me. What's going on here? You don't want to come out, do you, huh? Yeah, that's what I freaking thought. Alright, probably get this out of the way. Alright. So now, gotta take these off, transfer them over, and get the new pipe up. Yes. Oh, that just fell apart. Alright. I'll have to get that off somehow. Alright, now that we got that gasket off, we got our emery cloth here, and we're just gonna give it a quick clean. Give the old pipe a polish. The old PP. Giggity. Oh yeah, and don't stand right below this, because all that crap will just fall in to your face. And I do have safety goggles on. Alright, let's get the pipe in. Giggity. Alright. Hey! Alright, we got that one there. There, and we got another one right here. Probably should have did this one first. Car's way too high. All right, let me lower the car. Now, you know what? Let me get these guys out. Sprayed some PV on the top. All aboard the struggle bus. So here we have the gasket in place. We're going to push the pipe on a little further. Put our clamp over. Very good. We got our hardware. A little bit of high temp anti-seize. Oh boy! Oh god! There's a stop right there. You stop when it hits. Well, alright guys, we got the exhaust all installed. Hanger is in place. Hangers are in place. Gasket is installed. Clamp is installed. Exhaust is sounding good. Well, it's sounding better than when it came in. They kind of still have a manifold leak. Yeah, but hey, it's leaving in better shape than it came in. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.